Hi, I'm Kirk Holding with the Living in Spokane, North Idaho team. Today we're out in the community of Cheney, just west of Spokane, and we got a great listing we're featuring today. One of the things we love about this is it's an awesome neighborhood, mostly newer homes, but it's proximate to everything. You've got Cheney Middle School literally just behind us, so walking distance there. You've got Beth Park just down the road there. Take your family, walk the dogs, play Frisbee, what have you. And then you've got shopping, everything close in town. There's a sports complex, literally just 2 minutes down the road as well. So close to everything on this. This one's coming in with 3 beds, 2 bath. You got an awesome patio in the back that we'll show you here on the video. Coming in at 1,300 square feet, so really good buy at $399 on this one. And we're gonna give you a tour right now. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Thanks for stopping by. Again, if you're looking to buy or sell in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email. We'd love to help you. We've got a great listing package going to help your home get sold quickly and for top dollar. Give us a call. We can come out and talk about what it's going to take to get it sold.